The Lofoten Islands in winter offer a truly magical and unique experience. While they might be more associated with the midnight sun and summer activities, the winter months transform the islands into a serene and enchanting winter wonderland. And diverse, with picturesque fishing villages, rocky shores, and sandy beaches. The Norwegian landscape is dominated by rugged mountains, many of which are popular for hiking, skiing, and outdoor adventures. Norway's coastline is extensive and diverse, with picturesque fishing villages, rocky shores, and sandy beaches. The Lofoten Islands are particularly famous for their dramatic coastal scenery. Trolltunga is located in the Hardangervidda National Park, offering awe-inspiring views of the surrounding landscapes. The cliff overlooks the Ringedalsvatn Lake, which reflects the changing colors of the sky and the mountains. The rock itself is a natural wonder, with its dramatic positioning and the feeling of floating above the landscape. A testament to the incredible forces that shaped Norway's landscapes over millions of years. The islands are covered in a blanket of snow, creating a picturesque landscape. Norway's mountains are truly captivating and contribute significantly to the country's natural beauty. It is dominated by rugged mountains, many of which are popular for hiking, skiing, and outdoor adventures. Peaks like Trolltunga, Preikestolen Pulpit Rock, and Mount Romsdalseggen offer stunning panoramic views. The country is dotted with countless lakes, both large and small, which reflect the surrounding mountains and landscapes. This charming coastal city is known for its colorful wooden houses along the waterfront, its historic brig and wharf. These fjords offer breathtaking views, and many tourists visit Bergen to explore the fjords and take boat trips to experience their beauty up close.